Nudgee College is a Catholic all-boys school, Year 5 through to Year 12. We've been here since 1891, 1,680 boys who come to school, including 300 boarders. So we've got a really diverse group of boys, diverse range of backgrounds and diverse range of learning needs. Whether it's boys or girls, but particularly in our case for boys, that's our concern, is to try to improve their literacy level, to try to improve their capacity to write clearly, to write concisely. As a general rule, boys don't necessarily write as naturally as we would like. Write that essay. Resources work fabulously well in the classroom, both for the teacher and for the student. Be it the sentence train. It works well with boys, they find that fun. It could be the use of the posters in the classroom, the use of the creativity cards. For the boys themselves, it's given them a framework that they can use in the classroom, a framework that gives them some building blocks to write upon. It gives them, in using that framework, they develop greater confidence in their capacity to write. Out of that confidence, what we've seen in our boys is actually they've really started to enjoy it and they've become quite animated about what they do in writing. So there's that sense of fun ultimately comes out of that beginning framework. So we've been really pleased with that development. I think a second one is that framework's also very user-friendly for teachers. Not only the teacher of English, we're all teachers of English, but the English teacher, but the general teacher in the classroom. I think it's a framework a teacher can use to assist their boys to engage with their writing. And again, it gives us common sense of purpose for teachers, a common language for teachers to use with their boys. And I think that's a win-win for boys and teachers.